Hello, trader. One tool cannot be a decisive factor in decision-making. This is the main principle of technical analysis that all traders who think how to make money on binary options should observe. But there are exceptions, such as Ichimoku Kinko Hyo, which alone can find a deal that best matches the Dow theory rule. Price takes everything into account. The chart shows 5 lines. 4 show the median price range for a certain number of historical periods. An active change in buyers-sellers begins after breaking through the price lines, similar to the Elliott wave patterns, but here the signals are more reliable. Our strategy uses 3 indicator lines: Senkou span A and B. The lines are shifted forward and give leading signals of a trend change. Between the Senkou span A-B lines is the Ichimoku cloud Kumo, usually highlighted on the chart by shading. When the price chart moves in this area, it means a temporary consolidation. A breakout rebound from the borders gives final confirmation to other signals. Chinku span. The third forward line shows the overall price dynamics and direction. Options are opened on trend reversals and crossing lines, and in the Kumo channel, break or rebound from borders. Crossing Senkou span A-B most often means the beginning of a rollback towards span A, which may well lead to a final reversal. The signal may be ahead of the curve, as both lines are ahead of the price. Trend by Chinku span. Like the 2 previous lines, there is a forward shift. In fact, we have a slow moving average confirming the general direction of the price movement. Breakdown of the Kumo zone. We trade similarly to line breakouts. With a wide range, we open trades as on conventional channel indicators, Bollinger Bands, envelopes, and others, an option on the next candle after the rebound, the expiration of at least 3 to 4 candles of the time frame. There are no restrictions on currency pairs. It is quite possible to use the period of 1 minute, and options with an expiration of 3 minutes. The amount can also determine depending on the strength of the signal. Adaptive strategy vfxAlert. The first option on Canadian dollar. vfxAlert and the intersection of span A and span B indicate a rise option. Expiration is 3 minutes. The indicator uses 2 trading strategies at once: the trend strategy, in which signals occur at the intersection of lines or change of their movement, and the channel strategy, where trading proceeds from the borders or after a breakdown. "20 seconds before expiration, transaction in profit." The price is far from the opening level. The first option is closed with a profit. We are waiting for the next signal. Australian dollar. Price below Kumo cloud, open the fall option to lower. Ichimoku in the classic combination, September 26, 52, gives reliable forecasts for half a week cycle, but when strong fundamental events occur, the logic breaks, false signals appear. However, this behavior is observed on most technical tools. Option at a loss. We are waiting for expiration. The transaction ended at a loss. We are waiting for the next signal. Euro dollar. Strong uptrend inside the Kumo cloud. Confirmation signal on vfxAlert and rise option. We open only one option until we compensate for losses on the second transaction. "15 seconds before the end of the option, the price is close to the opening level. In the last seconds, the transaction ended in profit. The euro pound. The trend has turned down. The color of Kumo is changing to red. The second fall option. The author intended to use the indicator primarily as an additional confirmation of graphical analysis patterns. You can do it differently. The first factor will be signals supplemented by candlestick configurations, which often occur in the breakout or pullback zone. Here you need to follow the rule: the candlestick pattern must confirm the signal. Waiting for expiration. The fourth option is closed with a profit. British pound. The price is far from Kumo, but lagging span goes down. vfxAlert also shows downtrend. Let's try to open the next fall option. Friday is a short day at Forex. Difficult trading, but the strategy continues to give good signals. The price is again close to the opening level. Waiting for a profitable expiration. Another profit. We are waiting for the next signal for the last option. Complete the trading session with the Canadian dollar. Downtrend. The price is below all the indicator lines. vfxAlert confirms fall option. The option is in profit. In other pairs we do not open. The last option was closed in profit. Let's summarize. Less than an hour and 47 minutes, $381 or plus of 408%. It is the very good result.